What's up everyone, I'm Bill, I'm with Calimoto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Red Label Automotive. Welcome back to the Super Beast. And Jared's already at work. We just finished the intercooler piping and we are now working on getting the exhaust put on. So we're going from the DPF system back because of course it's illegal to delete your truck. So we've already got the DPF system on there. And so we're going from the DPF system back, and they were already teasing me this morning about my exhaust tip choice. I thought I was going with a cool exhaust tip. Apparently it is a 70-year-old Dodge owner's exhaust tip. So we'll see. It's gonna go on for now, but I went with the down dump satin black tip. I don't like the soot on the side of the truck, and because we are going to be doing the fifth wheel at some point, I wanted to make sure that we keep the soot off the back of that. So I figured the down dump was probably the better choice, but apparently it wasn't. But Jared down there, what's up, Jared? What's up, little buddy? How's the DPF look down there?
Looks like it's nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice and plugged in.
It's all plugged in right there. Yeah, it's good. So we're going DPF back, and it is only a 4-inch system. So I went with the MagnaFlow. So we're gonna cut the tip off, and I did first thing. Of course, Jared says you didn't go with stainless. The stainless was $400 more. So this was I think $380 for the system back, and the stainless was like $700. So I decided to go with that. But let's look under and let's see how the DPF looks. Yep, there it is, plugged in and everything. Looks good, man. That thing is big down there, huh? That's what she said. Man, your thing is real big. All right, so let's get this thing off, and we'll get the new one on. Alright, so we are kind of hung up a little teeny bit on the cutout that MagnaFlow says that we need to do for the flange. Now, MagnaFlow's instructions, as you guys can see here, states that, let's see, right there, we are a standard bed, we're right here. So we should be cutting at 26.5, but the measurement that we're at is like 11.5. So where we are, he moved over here. So this is the long pipe that, thank you UPS for already bending the flange. So this is the pipe that they send you that you're supposed to cut down. This goes into the flange adapter that they already send you. I don't understand why they didn't just give you a flange adapter that was that long and the flange was already attached to that. You'll see why when Jerry gets back with the piping. So again, we're dealing with, get back under to show you. So we're at this position right here. From the flange back, And with the flange that they provided us, it needs to be about 11 and a half. So I don't understand why, or we don't understand why the flange that they provided us just isn't longer, and you cut the flange back. So they require you to put the flange on there, and then they say for this truck 26, but it's really 11 and a half, so I don't understand. So you are just going to weld that together.
Yeah.
It'll be prettier. All right, guys, we've got my apparently 70-year-old grandpa turned down pipe all installed. Let's take a quick little look. So this is the MagnaFlow system, and it's a bolt-on system, but what's funny is that we ended up having to make a few modifications, a few cuts, a few welds, but Jared's fluent with that. So we did have to shorten the exhaust bracket hanger in the back, and we modified the front. So let's just kind of just walk you through. So we shortened that bracket there to kind of make the exhaust hang a little bit tighter towards the bed of the truck, and we kind of made it flush here. And around the top, all good. And then back into, he got the bracket all nice and welded on, and then he did a weld pipe in there instead. And then there is our DPF system. So we need to start? We're gonna start it, Jay? So you can kind of see from the back how it looks. Oh yeah. Woo, it sounds good. Definitely a little more meat on the bone. Bark, 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 bark. Whoa, finally reels. The turbo sound any different in front? Did you hear it at all?
You'll probably hear it driving.
And of course you can't see it, but oh, look at that. So, look, the stock exhaust, it's basically 4-inch all the way back. I didn't want screaming loud, so that's kind of why I stuck with the 4-inch all the way, basically from the DPF back. But I like the look. I like the look. I like how it kind of turns down. Very nice. Me likey, me likey. I like you guys. All right, guys. Well, thanks for sticking around for this video. This is the MagnaFlow exhaust, bolt-on 4-inch. I went with the aluminum one. I didn't go with the stainless one, but I'll take it. I'll take it, guys. So make sure you stay tuned. We've got more stuff coming for the Super Beast, as they call it here, the Super Best. Fools. But Red Label Automotive here in Vacaville. Thank you guys so much for making sure.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And then
Hit thumbs up.
thumbs up, and then
hit the bell for every notification I release.
thanks, guys. We'll see you next video. All right, guys, so I just want to give you guys a quick outro. Thank you guys for watching, but I want to give you guys a very, very nice cold start. Cold starts in California, we're talking 60 degrees, so I apologize for that. But the exhaust has been great. I love it. I know you guys are going to make fun of the down dump, but I really like the down dump. It's really kept the trailer clean, and the side of the truck has been kept clean. It's not got black all over it. So very, very nice. But I want to give you guys a cold start, so let's check it out. Sounds amazing as always. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more updates. We've got some body work coming on for the truck, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. But until next video, we'll see you guys then. Thanks.